Hi everyone, just here to unbox DJI's Neo drone. This is one of the smaller drones. I'm interested in trying to use this as a vlog. So instead of setting up a tripod or something like that, you can use this to record yourself or follow yourself, or to do a vlog to the drone at about face height. It's probably easier to carry this, plus I can use it for other things. So yeah, we'll open it up, see what's in the box. Now this is just the drone by itself. And we'll see what we've got in here. The drone, some accessories or cables. I'll put this, I'll leave the box there. Okay, so your DJI quick start guide, stickers. I'm not going to open that up. I'll just sit that up there. We'll see what's in this this box. I suspect probably USB cables, something like that. Oh no, some spare propellers. Okay, very good. Looks like, okay, you get a spare couple of propellers, USB-C to USB-C cable, and a screwdriver. So you only get 2 propellers, okay, and the screws. All right, I'm not going to open those. We'll open up the drone. Okay, so it looks like the drone comes complete. You've got a cover for the camera. This is your battery, which is, it's not going to fly straight away. It's got a little sticker to stop it making contact. But anyway, we'll take that out. Oh no, it's not actually stopping it from making contact. So it actually was ready to go by the look of it. I'll stick that on there. Let's have a look. Okay, so it's flat, so I've got to charge it up. But looks like, okay, yeah, pretty easy to take off that cover, and you can probably see where the camera is. You could damage that, but it does have a little bit of plastic in front of the camera, so. I have seen some guards. Might be worth putting a guard on this. These small drones, as you can see, don't have any sort of obstacle sensors, so you can fly this into a wall, into something, trees, etc. So yeah, be aware of that. But I'll probably go into it more later, do some other videos. But that is your DJI Neo. I'll just add, okay, you can buy separate batteries. They're supposed to be about 20-minute runtime, probably 15 minutes is probably more what I'd expect. And I think I read, don't quote me on it, but I think it's got about 22 gigabyte of internal memory. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.